thing that I see in the ocean on a regular basis is food packaging. And those are mixed materials. They're designed to keep food fresh. They're impossible to recycle. And coming up with a good alternative to that without creating cost for people who live below the poverty line and kind of hurting the people you least want to hurt is a difficult problem. But on the positive side, there's nothing that makes business move faster than consumers asking for something.
Right.
And we are seeing a wave of interest of people wanting to buy products that reduce plastic, that are plastic alternatives, and willing to make small behavior changes to eliminate the plastic waste in their household, and that gives me great optimism. We just formed a partnership with the Milwaukee Brewers and baseball team, and we are collecting all of the cups in the stadium and then recycling them directly back into our products. But the most exciting thing was that we didn't really expect was that the day after we announced that partnership, we got a phone call from literally just about every single Major League Baseball team in the country to do the same thing. We also got calls from NFL teams, NHL teams, and basketball teams to do the same thing. And that kind of interest in doing this would never have happened 5 years ago.